The Spectrum E197 error, also known as Network Guide Data Error, appears when your cable box fails to download program guide data from Spectrum's servers. This typically happens due to a loss of communication between the box and the network. To immediately address this, start with a simple power cycle. Unplug your Spectrum cable box from the power outlet for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This will reset the box's memory and often resolve the communication issue. While the box is restarting, check all cable connections to ensure they're secure. Verify the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to the box and confirm the power cable is firmly plugged into the outlet. Loose connections can cause the communication loss. If you're using an older cable box, such as the Spectrum 110 or 210 series, test the coaxial cable signal strength. Use the box's signal meter or a separate device to check for a reading of 70 decibels millivolts or higher. Weak signals can prevent proper data communication. After the cable box has restarted, verify that the program guide data has repopulated on your screen. If the guide appears normally, the E197 error has been resolved. If not, you'll need to proceed to more advanced troubleshooting steps. If basic power cycling doesn't resolve the E197 error, try advanced troubleshooting steps. First, manually refresh the guide data through your cable box's menu or perform a soft reset. If your setup uses internet for guide data, especially with newer hybrid streaming solutions, verify your Wi-Fi stability or switch to a wired Ethernet connection for a more reliable signal. For older boxes, a hard reset using the reset button, usually requiring a pin, might be necessary. Be aware this could indicate a failing tuner, potentially requiring a replacement. Looking forward, the trend is moving away from traditional cable boxes. Spectrum is integrating more with streaming apps like Spectrum TV, which reduces reliance on error-prone hardware. By 2028, expect older boxes to be phased out, and AI-driven diagnostics within the Spectrum app are anticipated to resolve a significant portion of issues automatically, potentially eliminating E197 altogether as 5G, 6G integration improves guide download speeds.